Oh, this thing moves! Today, I decided I wanted to go out. I wanted to have fun. I wanted to just do something fun. And, you know, regardless of if anybody is available, if anybody's free, if everybody wanted to, I'm just gonna go do it, you know? There's nothing wrong with going out somewhere by yourself. Normalize having fun by yourself out in public. I think if more people that felt like they didn't really have anybody for whatever reason to go out with went out, then those people would all like find each other, if that makes sense. I don't know, that probably doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean? No? Yeah. Oh well. Anyways, today the plan is to have fun, and I'm not waiting on nobody. Right now, I'm at Andretti's in Orlando. It's an arcade, it's go-karts, it's racing simulators. It's everything that I like. It's all the things that I like to do. And yeah, let's just get into it. So my race says that it starts at 4:08. I set an alarm for like 4:06, so I'm not going to be late and rushing to get over there. Actually almost time for me to go to race. I'm not gonna play any more games. High key mad. race results. We got 7th place. I usually get at least like top 5, and I didn't get it. So now I gotta play a shooter game because I'm mad. Oh my gosh, are you serious? No. Oh my gosh. This is why I hate these games. What's this? I've never seen this before. Dodgeball. This is gonna be dangerous. It's gonna be really dangerous for my camera. Oh my god. I'm gonna hurt my camera with this. Here we go, better angle. Yes, we are getting somewhere. I gotta get 450 points. Dang. You literally can't miss any shots on round 4. Dang. I wonder if someone's gonna give me a bunch of tokens. I've never seen this game before. This looks fun.
Beginner angler at your character. Great spot. Let's get on. Cast! 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 Press cast to hook the desired fish. Great!
Oh my god.
Wow! You hooked up a big fish. Pull the reeling the fish in. Lucky Mike. Better than nothing.
I mean, that's good eating right there.
Yes!
Ticket. Let's go.
Amazing angling, Captain.
Give me all of my tickets, please. Ooh, that was a good one. I don't know. Let's do this.
Hey!
Alright, shoot down the enemies. Avoid obstacles. Collect power-ups. Let boost to accelerate.
Get ready. Reach the end of the
Oh Oh, this thing moves! Oh my god. Oh no, I wasn't wearing to that. I can't hold my camera and play this one at the same time. One first. What the racing simulators look like. Last time I was here, they only had like the F1 cockpit. Now actually they have GT, so they're trying to flip the game, you know. It's so loud. That's my only complaint. It moves. Oh my god, whoever that was, they suck. I don't know how hard I'm struggling to hold the camera and race at the same time. Okay, so a little update on the Wizard of Oz coin game. I've been playing. I don't know what you can get with this, but I hope we can get something. Look at that. Look at this. I have to get it. I have to. It's not even an option. It's a necessity. So I'm spending all my rest of my tokens, spend the rest of my tokens on this game because I'm addicted. Look at that green coin about to fall back there. Yes. Look at this. Oh my god. Y'all remember that little stack of coins I had? A lot more now. And then I got more in my bag. So we're gonna spend the rest of my coins on the other side of this game. Oh my gosh, no we're not, because I got 40 and I need 45. That was fun. Okay, so let's do this one. Oh my gosh, somebody's lights are on in their car. I need them to leave. Their car lights or their headlights are in, like, they're just directly in my face. Their headlights are directly in my face. I really wish this person would leave. I don't feel like leaving. So, this was my first time ever coming to Andretti's by myself. I've always come here most of the time with whoever I'm dating on a date. And a few times I've come here with my family. And I had just as much fun by myself. Lost track of time and everything here, as I did with other people. I was just doing my own thing. I was just enjoying everything. I love go-karts and I love racing simulators, and I had a lot of fun by myself. So this is your sign to, like, you know, don't wait on other people. Don't wait for other people to be available for you to go out and have fun or do something that you want, that you really want to do. You know, be it because maybe your friends are at work, maybe you don't have anyone to go. Just go ahead and do it by yourself. Yeah, just go ahead and go out by yourself. No one's gonna stare at you and think, oh my gosh, you're weird. Matter of fact, I saw a couple other people in there by themselves too. You know, just you know, vibing. Don't let anything stop you.